practical suggestions for achieving affiliate marketing success. Now it is time to focus on developing your strategy. There are plenty of things you might be curious about before beginning. Below, you will find some very useful tips to help you move ahead with your affiliate marketing program. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, do your research first. If you can, actually try out the product. The more you know about the item, the more information you'll be able to include in your review. Otherwise, you'll end up using meaningless adjectives and drivel to fill up space in your video. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. Look for companies that are willing to pay extra for your time spent. Some affiliate businesses expect you to design the marketing tools you will be using to get them buyers. Finding a business that is willing to pay you for the extra efforts is quite a bonus. If you are spending your time for their sales, you should be paid for it. Now, you will be more prepared for affiliate marketing. If you considered yourself ready before, then you should be a pro now. These tips should provide you with the help that you need to get your affiliate marketing venture started. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.